Hey everyone, just a quick disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should invest at your own risk. Remember, everything I say in this video is my opinion and my opinion alone. So let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Gio and welcome to Robinhood Investing with Gio. So, in case those headlines didn't pump you up, I know I'm feeling pretty pumped right now about the way Bitcoin's price and what predictions analysts and just overall financial experts are seeing in the coin. Some of us, I don't know the whole background on Bitcoin. I've done my research, and I remember, I think it was in 2016, 2017, the hype where everyone was buying all the, I think the GPUs and all the NVIDIA had low stock and also AMD because everyone was mining Bitcoin. And slowly after the fad faded away, I'll bring up the chart where I show you where everything kind of like was at its peak around 2017. Yeah, that's when I remember I was trying to buy a graphics card, and I didn't know really much about Bitcoin. And around the height of Bitcoin in 2017, it went up to around $19,260. There were a lot of people mining it. There was a lot of like hype over the coin, and over the past few years, it kind of just faded away and to basically almost worthless to a point because a lot of people were thinking it was going to be regulated by the government and how they were going to possibly potentially like overall just like cancel the coin and stop it from being produced because there was this misconception about Bitcoin of how it was basically the government can't track it, they can't create more of it, but they a lot of people had this notion that the Bitcoin was used for like buying drugs and like illegal activity online, and overall that's actually far from the truth. Personally, over the past I guess 6 months, as I've been reading more and more about Bitcoin, especially during the whole Rona crisis that's happened to us, I've noticed that I've become a lot more bullish on the company, not the company, I'm sorry, on the coin, because I honestly think that this actually has a potential of being something massive. It's Bitcoin is not like other currency that we have, like fiat currency. It's not something that we can just ask Jay Powell to print more money. We need a stimulus relief. It's a scarce commodity or a scarce currency. As I think as it stands right now, by 2040, there's only about 2.5 million coins that can be produced ever until 2040. So once those 2.5 million coins are produced before by the 2040, that's it. There are no more coins, uh, at least for 20, 30 years from now. And I got to the thinking of how if it's such a rare thing, this made me reflect back in my childhood when I realized that I used to have a lot of the best first generation Pokemon cards that are no longer available right now. And recently I checked on the internet, and I noticed that these Pokemon cards are absolutely ridiculously priced. I remember these Charizards, the Blastoise, and everything that I had. The first like edition ones that I had as a child are now worth tens of thousands of dollars. And I think much like those Pokemon cards, and I know I'm comparing Pokemon cards to Bitcoin, but much like those Pokemon cards, that's it. Once this those coins are mined, there's not going to be any more. So when there's not a mass production of something and it's rare, it causes the value to go up. And the fact that a lot of these big corporations, the big banks, Kathy Wood, Kramer, a lot of people are actually now on this train, on this hype train of Bitcoin being the next big thing, the thing that's going to basically like completely like shoot up in price. And I was initially in on Bitcoin. and then I kind of got out of it. Again, I didn't know much about the company, or I keep saying company. I'm sorry, I don't know much about the currency, but now I feel a lot more bullish about it. I actually bought a tenth of a coin today, and ever since then it's run up like what is that, 5%. And this is something I definitely think that everyone needs in their portfolio. It's a good hedge, especially for fiat currency. And I think I plan to hold this definitely in my portfolio going forward. I have become incredibly bullish. Maybe if I have a little bit more money later on, I'll buy another tenth of a coin. But for right now, I'm really thinking that Bitcoin is something. If you don't have it in your portfolio, I think every portfolio should have, and this is not financial advice, but I think every portfolio should have at least some Bitcoin or cryptocurrency in there to hedge off potential like other things like financials and other forms of stocks. And I think it's a good way to kind of like balance out your portfolio. So, yeah, guys, what do you think about Bitcoin? Do you think this thing's going to be possibly a 400,000 or $500,000 coin, like Kathy would suggest, or do you think this is gonna be just another scam and it's gonna take all your money and you're gonna go to zero? Um, Let me know in the comments down below. And if you found any value from this video, consider subscribing, commenting, liking the video. I greatly appreciate it. And yeah, my name is Gio, and thanks for tuning in. All right, see you guys.